the star achievers. First, I call upon winners of grade 1A. I, Jonina, got first prize. N. Ashwin got second prize. S. Mohit Duditran got third prize. Ainul Shaliga got fourth prize. M. Adira got fifth prize. M. Neha got sixth prize. M. Shelva Niklesh got seventh prize. R. Ajay Prakatish got eighth prize. Dear parents, give a big round of applause and encourage your students. Next, we move on to the winners of grade 1B. Arul Ashwita got first prize, Kritika Shri got second prize, Veda Bharati got third prize, Jelin Tiana got fourth prize, Mahashakti got fifth prize, Manusha got sixth prize, Avantika got seventh prize. I feel elated to call upon the winners of grade 2A. SM Sanjit Prajan got first prize, GV Kritik Lingam got second prize, L Bhavisha got third prize, A Akshayapati got fourth prize, VP Jina Priyadarshan got fifth prize, CS Pranav Karthik got sixth prize, S Sai Karthikeyan got seventh prize. Dear parents, encourage your children. It's time to call upon the winners of grade 2B. NR Abhinayashri got first prize, K Shivadarshan got second prize, P Shishant got third prize, D Lakshana got fourth prize, R Vikanashri got fifth prize. Come on parents, put your hands together. The winners of grade 3A. R Nivetika got first prize, B Sugandh got second prize, B Initra got third prize, S T Sanjana got fourth prize, Selvantesh got fifth prize. Congratulate your children. Now I call upon the winners of grade 3B. Ifra M got first prize, Sivapriya K got second prize, Suvetita got third prize, Madhapriti got fourth prize. Come on parents, put your hands together. Of grade 4. B. Jervin got first prize, Mukundatvik L got second prize, Bernisha E got third prize. Jashwant Raj got fourth prize. Dear parents, please encourage your children. It's time to appreciate the winners of grade 5. A. Nandana got first prize. P. Rudra Sanvi got second prize. M. Ashwath Sairam got third prize. S. Swati Srimati got fourth prize. K. Darshan got fifth prize. Come on parents, encourage your children.
I feel delighted to call upon the winners of grade 6th. G. A. Mugun got first prize. K. Hariram got second prize. S. T. Sanju Bala got third prize. T. Venkat Shri got fourth prize. R. Babashri got fifth prize. M. Madhivadani got sixth prize. Congratulations, dears. Dear parents, applause your words. It's time to call upon the winners of grade 7th. G. A. Gavin got first prize and Subiksha got second prize. I. Subis got third prize. Dear parents, congratulate your wards. It's a moment to appreciate the winners of grade 8. V. Abhyuga got first prize. S. M. Kaushik Dakshan got second prize. K. Kanishya got third prize. S. Godwin got fourth prize. P. Raphael got fifth prize. Congratulations to all. Dear parents, put your hands to congratulations. And finally, I would like to call upon the winners of grade 9th. A. Catherine Mercy got first prize. S. Harshita got second prize. G. Durai Narendran got third prize. B. Srinidhisha got fourth prize. K. Sriram got fifth prize. And C. Ashwin Venkat got sixth prize. Dear parents, put your hands together to congratulate your wards.
Most important thing to change the child's learning pedagogy. It's time to call upon the winners of handwriting. I request our chief guest to give away the prizes. Please, sir. N. Ashwant of grade 1. M. Atira of grade 1. M. Limuila Rishuna of grade 1. M. Ainul Saliha of grade 1. I. Jonina of grade 1. A. Arul Ashvita of grade 1. S. Veda Bharati of grade 1. J. Jerlin Tiana of grade 1. K. Manusha of grade 1. A. Titika Muji of grade 1. B. P. Jina Priyadarshan of grade 2. P. Isha of grade 2. A. Akshaya Pati of grade 2, D. Lakshana of grade 2, K. Sivadarshan of grade 2, N.R. Abhinayasri of grade 2, J. Likchika of grade 2, P. Shishant of grade 2. Success is earned one day at a time. Start by showing up. Here are the regular attendees of the school. I feel elated to call upon the winners of Attendance Excellence Award. Sujan A. of grade 9, C.L. Venushri of grade 8, M. Srimaha of grade 8, G.A. Kavin of grade 7, A. Raja Avinesh of grade 6, G.A. Mukund of grade 6, Sanjay Madhavan of grade 4, B. Kabilesh of 3rd A, K. Ribishia of grade 3, Sanjay Madhavan R of grade 4, B. Kabilesh of grade 3, K. Ribishia of grade 3, S.T. Sanjana of grade 3, K. Sivapriya of grade 3, A. Pumija of grade 3, T. Srinikesh of grade 2.
Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Here are the excellent performers of Olympiad exams. First, I would like to call upon the winners of English Olympiad exams. T. Megavarshan of grade 3, M. Ifra of grade 3, R. Nivetika of grade 3, Jashwant Raj of grade 4, Jervin of grade 4, A.G. Avineshwaran of grade 5, Sasi Bharati of grade 6, Hariram of grade 6, Sasi Bharati of grade 6, Hariram of grade 6, Bhavashri of grade 6, Madhivadani of grade 6, Arjun Kartik of grade 6, Mugund of grade 6, Rakshita of grade 7, Gideon Raj of grade 7, Kavin of grade 7, Venushri of grade 8, Aditya of grade 8, Kanishya of grade 8, Rajin Lingesh of grade 8, Godwin of grade 8, Catherine Mercy of grade 9, Sriram of grade 9. Parents, put your hands together.
It's time to appreciate the winners of Max Olympiad. V. Prithvi from grade 3, T.K. Swedita from grade 3, S. Sakare Shivalingam from grade 3, A.S. Krishwant from grade 3, B. Jervin from grade 4, B. Shri Swasti Rakshita from grade 4, A. Nandana from grade 5, A.G. Abhineshwaran from grade 5, A. Karthik Subramaniam from grade 6, G. Sasi Bharati of grade 6, R. Harish of grade 6, K. Hariram of grade 6, S.T. Sanjeev Bala of grade 6, J. Shirlin of grade 6, G. A. Kavin of grade 7, V. Abhyuga of grade 8, C. L. Venushri of grade 8, S. Godwin of grade 8, K. Kanishya of grade 8, grade 9th, A. Catherine Mercy of grade 9th, S. Harshita of grade 9th, C. Ashwin Venkat of grade 9th, P. Srinidhisha of grade 9th. Dear parents, please put your hands together to appreciate you the winners.
Finally, I would like to call upon the winners of Science Olympiad. Yuvantika M of grade 3, Kabilesh B of grade 3, grade 3, Kabilesh B of grade 3, Sugant B of grade 3, Nivetika R of grade 3, Jayharshini J of grade 3, S. Sarkare Sivalingam of grade 3, Jervin B of grade 4, Mukund Advik L of grade 4, Dear parents, please put your hands together to appreciate the winners. Mukund Advik L of grade 4. V. Twarita of grade 5. K. Vishwant of grade 5. S. Swati Srimati of grade 5. S. Jasit Pranav of grade 5. A. G. Avineshwaran of grade 5. R. L. Prajanraja of grade 6. Dear parents, please put your hands together to appreciate the winners. G. A. Mukund of grade 6. M. Madhivadani of grade 6.
Dear parents, please put together your hands for appreciating the winners.
G. A. Kavin of grade 7. S. Rakshita
Come
of
on,
grade
parents,
7.
cheer up.
A. S. Asmita of grade 8. B. Abhyuga of grade 8. S. Godwin of grade 8. A. T. Nishant of grade 8. R. Aditya of grade 8.
Come on, dear parents, please put your hands together.
C. L. Venushri of grade 8. P. Rafael of grade 8.
Put your hands together and encourage them. Come on, parents, cheer up. Encourage
Catherine
your
Mercy
ward.
A of grade 9. Sriram K of grade 9.
Cheer up your wards, parents. Barrier. It's a limitation you put on your mind. It's time for the winners from sports. First, I call upon the winners of Nikish Vino E 4th standard. Second, Kavin from 6th standard. G. Duray Narendran from 9th standard. Please, parents, cheer up the wards. It's time for appreciating the winners of basketball. First, Ram Prasad V 7th standard, K Hariram 6th standard, S Shivani 8th standard, Srimagam 8th standard, K Kanishya 8th standard. Come on, parents, standard, K Hariram 6th standard, S Shivani 8th standard, M Srimaga 8th standard, K Kanishya 8th standard. Cheer up them. Dear parents, put your hands together to cheer up them. It's time for appreciating the winners of chess. First, T. Sanjanam, Sanju Balam, Daniel Raja. T. Sanjana of grade 3, Daniel Raja of grade 8, Sanju Bala of grade 6. Dear parents, cheer up them. It's time for appreciating the winners of skating. First, Dushant, 2nd standard. Rishon, 6th standard. Dhanvantesh, 6th standard. Give a big round of applause, dear parents. First prize goes to Dushant of grade 2nd, Rishon of grade 4th, Dhanvantesh of grade 4th, Sivavijay of grade 6th. It's time for appreciating the winners of karate. First, Jaya Harshini of grade 3rd, Muthu Prashantini of grade 6th, S. Godwin of grade 8, K. Kanishya of grade 8, J. Harshini of grade 3rd and Muthu Prashantini of grade 6th. Dear parents, put your hands together.